Welcome, you are watching Infotech Zone. Hello and welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and technologies shaping our world. In this video, we'll be talking about a topic that's on many people's minds, the future of work. Specifically, we'll be asking the question, will robots take our jobs? With automation and artificial intelligence becoming more advanced every day, it's a valid concern. So, let's dive in. Part 1. The rise of automation. Automation has been a part of the workforce for decades, but with the development of more advanced robotics and AI, it's becoming more widespread. Robots can already perform tasks like assembly line work, cleaning, and even some forms of customer service. This has led to fears that machines will replace human workers, leaving millions unemployed. But is that really the case? Part 2. The future of jobs. While it's true that some jobs are at risk of being automated, others will remain safe. Jobs that require creativity, critical thinking, and social interaction are less likely to be taken over by robots. In fact, many experts believe that new jobs will emerge as a result of automation. These jobs will require skills like programming, data analysis, and machine maintenance. So, while some jobs will disappear, others will be created. Part 3. The importance of reskilling. To ensure that workers are prepared for the changing job market, reskilling will be essential. Workers who are willing to learn new skills and adapt to new technologies will be the most valuable in the future. This means that employers will need to invest in training programs for their workers, and individuals will need to take the initiative to learn new skills on their own. Part 4. Conclusion. So, will robots take our jobs? The answer is complicated. While some jobs are at risk of being automated, others will remain safe, and new jobs will be created. The key to success in the future of work will be to adapt to new technologies and learn new skills. By doing so, we can ensure that we stay ahead of the curve and thrive in the changing job market. Thanks for watching our video on the future of work. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And as always, we welcome your thoughts and comments down below. See you in the next